let's talk about the 4 worst investments that I think you can make. And
So the first investment that he mentions is whole life insurance, and I couldn't agree more. Let me show you why. In this example, let's compare term life with whole life insurance. Here we have term life $1 million policy starting at 30 years old, $47 per month for 20 years, but a whole life policy $1 million coverage starting at 30 years old, $837 per month for the rest of your life. Now, there are 4 main components to a whole life policy: the agent, the premium, the cash value, and the death benefit. The agent in this example gets a very high commission, which on average is 1 year of your monthly premium, which is about $10,000. The monthly premium is going to vary by your age, health, and coverage. The cash value, which is what makes whole life different than term life, doesn't actually start accruing until 2 to 5 years after you pay your ridiculous premium, which means you've paid about $25,000 for $1 million death benefit that you could have got for $47 per month if your cash value doesn't start accruing for 2.5 years. And then again, in this example, your death benefit is $1 million, and that's all your family get when you die. It does not include your cash value, no matter how much money you have in it.
Her illustration is very pretty. Unfortunately, it's not accurate. Let me show you an actual illustration. This is an actual illustration. Whenever you get a quote for a whole life policy, make sure you get one of these. Here's my first policy. My premium is $20,000. You can see in this column here, the cash value accrues immediately, even in the first and second years. You can also take out a loan immediately, which is exactly what I did. So my policy started in 2019. I made these first 2 payments, made a lump sum payment, and then you see I took out a loan and I paid it back once I finished my construction project in December. She also mentions having to pay that same premium for the rest of your life. You see that mine drops off to $7,000 a year, and there are also riders you can get where you have no payment. Another inaccuracy is that the death benefit grows. My base was this amount. Once I made my premium payment, it jumped up to here, and then it grows all the way to